Okay. And I have an announcement to make. Adults, this is the usual thing for you. Sort of. Cubs, it's not. You're finally allowed to cross the other side where we'd never allow you to go. But don't get your hopes up because you're not going to the other side. You're just waiting at the top of a hill while we go hunting. So, Queen Geo, who's with her daughter, Princess Crystal, are going to teleport you to them, where you will wait at the top of the hill. I think I heard him say to teleport. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, my gosh. What just happened? Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, that was really
I just teleported you guys. Can you see down there? That's where we're going to be watching.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Can we watch from here? Sure, I guess. Let's go. Aw, I see I accidentally teleported this little baby. Don't worry, I'll look after you. What?
This one's a baby.
No, it's not. You're not a baby, are you? Oh, man. Excuses. Trying to come up with excuses to get me to hold you won't work. So go on, watch from the top if you must. I can't see my parents there yet. Me neither. I can't see any of them. Yes, they'll be there soon. Do you hear that? Yeah, I hear galloping. Let's take a look. Come on. Whoa, do you see them all? Uh-huh.
Hey guys, let's go to the mini grass shop. Then we can go get some grass because we're hungry. Actually I want to go search for some grass. Actually that's a good idea. Let's go.
What in the world are they? Are they lions? Are they wolves? Are they tigers? Well, none of them have any stripes, so I don't think so. Wait, what's that? That one has wings. That's actually the queen of all the horses and unicorns. The queen? I thought you were the only queen. No, there's lots of other queens. Whoa, she can fly just like you, Mommy. But she doesn't look... They must be some type of dragons because they have wings. Yeah. But they don't look like they have claws. In fact, they don't even look like they have feet. They actually have very shiny feet. That's a bit sus, but they don't actually look like they have feet or paws. They don't look right to me. I don't think they're even lions or dragons. Look at them. I don't know what this is, but someone found this. Apparently it's called a bucket full of water and it will keep us hydrated for ages.
Until it gets dirty.
It doesn't matter if it gets dirty.
Well, I don't want to drink dirty water. Do you think I'm some sort of ugly stray or something?
Well, we are strays because we don't have owners.
Excuse me, they're sleeping and there's some eating. Well, actually, you don't have an owner. We just found you and decided you to
No, not parents, owners.
Oh, I get it.
Like humans. I think they're called humans. I don't know.
I think they're called humans. I don't think they're called humans. I think they're.
Can you stop drinking all the water?
Yeah.
Oops. Oops. Hey, there's some on the floor.
more water out, and they are.
Really?
Yeah.
Water! Ooh.
Okay, that's the last of it.
Cool.
There's some more over here.
Hey, we're just gonna go over here. Yeah, we
No,
are.
this looks like really dirty water.
Come on, you two. Me and my sister or cousin are gonna play.
Us sisters are gonna play, and us sisters are gonna play.
I can hear chattering.
I can hear them lions, booties.
I don't know what they are. I can hear chattering and
Oh, I just want some
whispering.
grass. Wouldn't. Yeah, I can't get.
I can hear like whispering and yeah. Wait, I see something. They're running away.
I don't even know what them thingies up the hill are.
Excuse you?
Excuse me? You don't know who you are?
I am Princess Crystal.
Well, I'm Princess Goldie, and I'm Cherry. Nice to meet you.
And
Why are you spying on us?
we're not spying. We're just watching. We're just gonna watch something amazing happen.
I think that we should go and tell Mom.
No, don't. Don't tell your mom. We don't even know what's happening.
Mom?
Yes, honey?
Mom.
Yes?
There's these weird lion cubs up there.
What?
Lion pie, whatever they're called up there. They're
Oh,
spying on us
no.
with a dragon. Whatever they are, I don't know what they are. Uh-oh.
Shoot, they've seen us now. I'm gonna have to send the wolves in. Wolves attack! Shh!
Guys, I'll go fetch the ponies.
You interrupted my howl. But we can't. How can we? We have to go sneak up on them. It's gonna have to be a surprise attack.
By the way, the
Come on, let's go.
baby's not outside.
What way are they? Well, I think they're at the bottom of the hill because look, all the cubs are there watching, so I imagine they're over there. Okay, so we're going to have to go round. Shh, you cannot growl. They're not allowed to hear us. Come on, hurry up.
Fighting all these.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take my scissors.
No.
I can walk.
I'll go there
I
first.
believe that I can walk in this old grave.
Sorry about my very annoying sister. Anyway, back with the video. Oh my goodness. How many horses are there? I think there's only Hey, do you guys see this? What's going on over there? Before we carry on with this video, fun fact, all 3 of these cats are stray cats and they're also friends with the horses. They're not on the wild cat side. Now back with the video. Vanessa, what's going on?
Well,
Vanessa.
we think that all the mines up on that hill are spying on us, so I think there's sort of a fight going on, which we're quite worried about because all the children are with us as well. There's nowhere to hide them right now.
Hold on, so you're saying there's a fight going on?
I think so.
We'll try help as much as we can, but we're just little stray cats. I don't think we'll be able to do much.
We don't have to help. It's just like we're really like a bit scared because we don't know what to do with the falls because
Can we come see?
sure, but we don't know what to do with the falls, so we were just wondering if you could take care of them because we won't be able to take care of them, and one of the wolves might snatch them.
Okay, sure. Uncle Dibs, hop on your back.
Oh, sorry.
Ah!
Let's go. This is what it looks like.
Oh my goodness. Right, okay, we're so happy. Like, we'll do anything. Like, we'll do anything for you. We'll be happy for the foals to come and, you know.
Oh, hi guys.
Hi, Apple. So you're going to be coming over there with us where, you know, all 3 of us usually hang out because, again, we think there is a dangerous fight going on.
Yeah, we know.
Okay, so yeah, if you see Darcy and Zuma over there.
Okay, I'll teleport all the others here.
Okay, ready? Come on, do your magic in 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, they're spying on us now. I still don't see any of my parents. Wait a minute. I think I hear something. Huh? Something's down there, but I can't really see. Hold on. Let me try and move this branch. If I can. And this one. Oh my gosh, the whole pack's there. I better stay quiet. Ouch. Guys, the war's actually, guys, the war's starting. I see the wolf pack, they're down there. They're doing a surprise attack. Oh, this is gonna be epic. Okay, the coast is clear. Come on, let's go. Okay, nothing's coming. Come on, let's go. I can hear galloping, but they're not coming for us. Okay, coming. We're coming. What was that? Oh, it's just them getting prepared, I think. Yep. Come on, let's stay here. And then we're going to do a surprise attack. Oh, good thinking. And no one will be able to spot us here, so... So, yeah. I think I can hear someone, but it's over there by there. No one will be able to see us.
No one should be able to see us up here because, like, we're in safety. No one usually comes up to here. And we brought you guys some grass.
Darcy!
What?
Darcy!
What?
Look! Shh. Come on, you guys have to do a surprise attack. We can't attack, we don't have any claws. Ow! Oops! I guess that worked. What are you doing trying to attack our friends? You push over.
Well, we have magic. Oh, we have magic. And they don't have magic. They have these tiny little claws.
How dare you! Attack! Come on, guys!
pretend they keep butting. Pretend she's done a safety bogey.
Rah! Rah! Ow! Oh my god, I think there's a surprise attack going on over there, but I don't think it's worked very well.
Guys.
Queen, I think it's time you did some magic.
No,
Me
guys,
too.
Guys, I'm going to tell you something. The falls over there, they literally just like screamed all the wolves on the floor.
Oh. Right, okay, I'm going to do my magic. Oh my gosh! Where are we? Hey, how did we get here? Oh no. Hey, what do you want from us?
Why are you guys spying on us?
Because our parents were starting war. Just please let us go.
We're not going to hurt you or anything. You're only cubs.
We're just going to kidnap you until your parents change their mind about starting war on us.
Because we don't want to die.
Okay, we're sorry. Your parents aren't sorry, are they?
Well, we'll only let you go if you tell your parents to stop the war.
How are we going to tell them if we're here? Well, that's not our problem,
Well, we can teleport you back.
No, because then they'll escape. We don't know if they'll tell the truth. So we have to keep them there.
Well, we're going to spy on you.
We have to keep them here until the parents realise, and then we won't release them until the parents promise to stop. We're going to keep them here until your parents decide to stop starting wars on us. Oh my gosh, just please let us go. We didn't have anything to do with it. All we wanted to do was see what was over here, and our parents said that we could watch. I'm sorry if you had nothing to do with it. We are sorry, but we have to keep you here until your parents decide to stop starting these wars, because I don't think like we can stop them really.
Look forward to seeing them cry when you're gone. Bye.
Hey, no! You're gonna make us cry. How dare you kidnap the princess?
We'll give you food. Jeez.
I don't care if you're a princess. Now you're being the rude one.
Some water. 1 sec.
We actually had nothing to do with this promise. Ah! Stop, that's cold! Alright, stop.
Okay, there we go.
Hey, that was actually cold. Now we're soaked.
Don't dry off.
No, we're actually sorry. We don't know why we're saying sorry. We were just seeing what was there. Can you just listen to us?
What?
We had nothing to do with the war. It was our parents. We just want, because we're not allowed to play over here, and I don't think you're allowed on our side.
Let us decide. Let us think.
We just wanted to see what was over here. That's why we were peeking over, and then our parents just started war. They were hunting for food, and I think the food was you.
1 sec. Guys, guard these. Guys, once we figure this out. Mom, I think that we should let them out because, like, I don't want to be mean to people.
Listen, I would let them go, but there's no other way to stop these wars.
I want to let them go.
Honey, Honey, listen to me.
I'll run away if you don't let them go.
Honey, listen to me. We will let them go if their parents...
No, let them go now. I'll run away.
Hey.
I'll run away.
Sweetie, listen to me, please. Do you want to... We're trying to stop these wars from you risking you getting killed.
We're not gonna get killed. It's just I don't want these.
We will get killed if these. I
don't want these poor cubs to be kidnapped. Okay, so bye.
They won't be kidnapped forever. Their parents will decide. Oh my goodness! Right, there's nothing I can do about that. But she won't go far. She wouldn't. We'll shout for help then. Oh, no you won't.
Help.
Yup, cast a spell on you, so now you're silent. Heh. Oh my gosh.
This is so mean. Why did I to do that? They did nothing. I tried to explain that they did nothing, and all my parents are doing is saying,
huh? Oh, no, you don't. Shh.
Pretend I cast a spell but I can't fly.
Now you can't fly because I also cast another spell.
Why does my mom have to do that? Why does my mom have to do that? They didn't even do anything. She just let them go.
There's no reason to have them trapped. Come on, they have to be here somewhere. Come on, Queen Geo. Geo, you can do this. You did not just lose all of your kingdom's cubs. No, you didn't. Oh my goodness, where are they? They just disappeared into thin air. Oh my god. Right, I have to let the king know about this. Diamond, honey, all of the children just vanished, including Princess Crystal. Our own daughter? You lost our own daughter? It's not that I lost her. She just, literally, they were all with me at the top of the hill, and suddenly they just all, disappeared into thin air. You have to be joking! I'm not, I promise. I'll try to find them. I don't know what happened. They just disappeared into thin air, I promise. It was just like poof, they were gone. This is unacceptable. You lost our own daughter and you've lost the other. Oh my goodness. Why would you do this? I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I didn't know that this was your side.
Find our
Okay,
cubs.
I'll tell you. My parents kidnapped them and they're surrounding them, and let me speak first. Because they said that they won't let them go until you change your mind about the war.
So that's how they're gonna do it. Right.
We're
honey,
so sorry, Your Majesty. The foes are too strong.
it's fine, I dealt with them. What do you mean nothing changed? Take a look over there. How did we even get here? You know what, never mind. Foes!
Turn the king and queen of magic.
Ah!
Let's go!
Hold on. Where do you think you're going? Now we have... Oh, we cast a spell on you, so now you are permanently stuck to the ground until our children get released.
Let us out. We didn't even do anything.
Yes, you did. If that's how your parents want to play, then we're going to play the same.
Well, it's our parents, not us. You should kidnap our parents, not us.
You be quiet. They're going to pay for doing that. I still can't believe you lost them.
Guys, I told you. It was our parents. They were the one that kidnapped them. You want to know where they are? They're around our side, circling your cubs and dragons and that. I'm trying to tell you what's happening.
I will rip you to pieces if you say one more word.
Sorry. Where's my safety belt?
Oh no, I casted all of your spells away. And you know what? Come here, you. Whoa! Hey, I'm frozen. I can't move. What are you doing?
What are you doing to my sister? Let go of my sister, otherwise I'll rip you to pieces.
How dare you say that?
That was it.
Freeze! Oi, you apple pony, come here. You should regret saying what you said to me earlier.
What do you mean?
told you you'd regret saying it.
What did you do to my sister? This time I want to try. This time I want to try.
So, will you apologise for saying that? Apologise.
Majesty, she can't speak.
Well, she better speak, otherwise...
She got scratched in the mouth.
No, she didn't. She got scratched on the cheek. She's fine.
Sorry.
Good. Now, where's our daughter?
Your daughter is on the patio. Our parents are surrounding, but will you please let us go?
I guess. Fine, everything's back to normal. Move, gods.
Right, we're gonna go now.
I'm teleporting our daughter back. Let me go. Huh? Where did she go? Oh. Honey, what happened? Oh my god. Who did this to you? The horses. I'll show them.
Please don't.
Why should I? They tortured my daughter for no reason.
We're sorry. We have healing pills. We have healing magic.
I don't care. Those horses shall be gone forever. Their land will be ours. Thank you so much for watching this long video. The Dragons Alliance did win in the end, so if you had to pick a team at the start, which team would you be on, and did your team win? Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for Stitch.